Hey guys, welcome back to my canal. I've been thinking about like what I should be posting and stuff, and I just decided that, you know what, like I'm making this for me and I might as well just post whatever fuck I feel like it. So ahorita voy a organizar mi desk. Excuse my greñas. Me las corté cuando fui a pintarme el pelo porque me lo pinté rojo y ya no se ve rojo. So I'll talk to you guys for a little bit. I have this paper que compré en la Big Lots y lo compré para mi kitchen, para ponerlo en los cajones, pero nunca lo hice uno y ya no lo volví a hacer. So I'll just fix the palettes that I have like this. Hold on. I'm gonna organize my palettes. I'm gonna show you all. So I have this one. It's so cute, but there you go. It's super cute too. So I have that. Oh, estas estaban, I mean, kind of affordable. I have both because I bought this one first. Y los colores están súper bonitos y atrás trae como looks que puedes hacer. Y yo los traté todos y están muy bonitos. Este también tiene cute looks, pero no, papi. Este también tiene cute looks, pero los colores no están tan vibrantes. I have broken nails. Yes. Of course, the Morphe palette. I think this is the fall one. Colores neutros. I love. Like, this is probably the first Morphe palette I got, and I really, really like it. So, have this, of course. I don't have a lot of makeup. I do have some. This is my other Morphe palette. This is the Boss palette. And these colors are super cute. I got it officially, honestly, for the greens, and I made a green and brown look, and it was really cute. So the colors are super adorable. I also have the Loric Pro. This one, the colors are, I honestly bought it because the mirror is humongous, and I love the mirror. The colors are like more pastel. So there's those. I have this one, the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair. This one I've also haven't used, but it's all scratched up because of my son. But other than that, I haven't gotten it. I got it because the packaging parece como cristales, entonces me llamó mucho la atención. Is the only reason I got this one. Oh, this one I just got. Look at the packaging. This packaging is so cute, and I've swatched. I just got it. Like, it still has the plastic. Literally got it today in the mail. I swatched the sparkly colors because I love. Blue looks really vibrant, but it's not. So it's kind of chalky. Like, the colors, the mattes are kind of chalky, but the sparkles are super cute. So the sparkles. So let me see. I have one more. This one, okay, I use a lot. It's super fucking cute. So I love these. Oh my god, these pink. It's called Begonia. Oh bitch, she works. So we love her. I think that's all the palettes I have. So let me really quick organize this. All right, so I'm like halfway through, and I thought I would show you guys like the main mascara I use, which is the Voluminous L'Oreal Carbon Black and the Essence Volume Stylist. These two are my definite go-tos. Oh my god, just real quick before I dirty these, look at these cute ass brushes I got. Okay, they're not like as soft as Morphe brushes, but like they're super cute. Okay, so I'm moving on to my highlighter. I'm gonna show you guys this one because when I saw it at the store, I was like, we love. There you go. You know, like it's literally gone. Like, where'd she go? You know, but like when you swipe that, it's like, but if I put her like here, nothing. So she was a waste of money. I just haven't been doing my makeup lately, honestly. So I'm kind of like, makeup, nah. Not because it's like, I've just been in a shitty ass mood and kind of just haven't been wanting to do anything other than like mandatory things like care for my son and like cook for my husband and like, you know, clean my house and wash my clothes. Like, other than that, I'm kind of like, I don't want to do anything. Like, I want to die, basically. Organizing now the cajon, my sprays, and my contour and highlight. So once that's done, I'll show you guys. Oh my god, I have to tell you guys this. So I had heard a lot about Wet n Wild foundation. So I went and got it. So we didn't like her, but the L foundation, oh my god, I fucking love her. Oh no, you get 20 milliliters, not even an ounce, so 0.68 ounces. So, but we like her. I also got the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This is really good for like when I do my eyebrows. We like her. Now, after you know Tarte started doing me dirty and drying out my skin, I got the MAC foundation. And I really like her. It's the Studio Fix Fluid. I also got the 24-hour concealer. I show you guys the styler highlighter, and that shit, not even a little bit of highlight. This one, bitch. Okay, hi, and it's way better than styler. No shade, no tea. I have a lot of NYX shit because they're super good. Their lipsticks are good. Oh my god, their highlighters are dope. Their eyeshadows are pretty cool. I have not yet tried the foundation, but I mean, I heard good things about it. I heard not so good things about it. I of course have my eyebrow brush, my Anastasia, which I honestly only got because I thought it was $2, and when I went to pay, and the girl was like, it was like $50 or something like that for that and the Anastasia brow gel. I was like, excuse me? Alright, so I am officially done organizing my desk, and I will show you guys in next time. Hopefully it's as clean as it is right now. I literally just cleaned the whole thing because it was kind of like it wasn't that it was messy, it was more that I hadn't unpacked the makeup I used when I went to Cali last week, so it was kind of like all over the place because of that. And so you know, I like aproveché. You guys couldn't see, but I'm sure you guys can hear on the video. Mateo was being wild. Okay, by the way, like my decorations over there are so cute. I might show them to you guys next video. I painted that tabla, by the way, so it's pretty cool. I painted my desk too. It's like this desk I got for like $4, and I painted it. Well, Andres painted it for me, pink and teal, and I love. And then I have this mirror that some person gave me, and it was white, and I also painted it teal. I don't have like a big ass mirror. I have like a tiny ass mirror. Like I need to get a bigger one. But you know, I literally use my smaller one because it has lights on it, and then I have like my selfie light on it, and it's great. Thanks for watching, guys. I will be making those other videos I talked about. I have to edit this out. I won't edit it as much as I was editing the other ones. Kind of annoying because I couldn't do it in the computer for some reason. I'm kind of stupid, I guess, and like it wasn't working properly. So that's why I stopped, and so I started doing vlogs, which I'm actually enjoying. I hope you guys like the vlogs too. I will try to vlog every day. I mean, I'll try to vlog every day. I will. I didn't vlog today, and I wish I did. We went to the lake with my in-laws, and it was a lot of fun. I love them. They're super sweet to me. I mean, they're super cool, and it's just fun. Like I legit, honestly, like no lie, have a good time when I hang out with them. So I wish I would have vlogged it and showed you guys. Like I'll be on my phone the whole time, like recording myself, because me da vergüenza, you know. Like in mi casa no me importa, que this is my house, or like when I'm with Andres and it's just me and him, like I feel super comfortable. But like around them, like they don't tell me anything, they're not fucked up or anything, but I just like feel like it would be awkward, you know, because it's kind of like family time. For me to be on the phone, it's kind of like, what the fuck, bitch, like put the shit away now. But I wish I would have vlogged it because it was really fun. I mean, it was kind of a last minute thing for me because I wasn't gonna go because I worked on today in the morning, and I know they wanted to do it in the morning, so I was kind of like, well, we're not going. But then when I got out, they were still there, so I was like, fuck it, let's go. And we went for a little bit, but it was still fun, you know. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If so, thumb it up, leave me a comment, tell me whatever you want. Hi, I literally have a highlighted ass hair now. Okay, but look at that. Look at how blind, oh my god, look how blinding that is. Yes. But yeah, so have a good night, guys. I'll see you guys next time.